What's up, everybody? Hello guys, and welcome back again here in my vlog. We are just doing some mini hike, or is it a mini hike?
It's medium bicycle, medium.
Let's go, everybody! Oh, slippery, 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 slippery. Time right now is 9:47 and we are just starting. So then again guys, Christian is leading the hike as he has been here for, he's been doing this hike here in Tarzan for multiple times already. So if I haven't introduced myself, my name is Yuri and you guys are back again here in my vlog. It's a more on a walk hike. As we can see, slippery, rainy, but we'll be okay. Hi! We all started meeting up at 8:30 and nakarating kami dito ng 9:45.
So at least we meet up at 8:30.
Yeah. It's raining! Woo! So yan guys, hindi tayo makapag-drone. Our drone is not water resistant. Maybe later. Two different pathways here, left or right. We always choose the right, they choose the left. Kapag right, you're always right. Kapag left, you're always left. Ano lang yan, di ba?
Okay ka ba, Chan?
Oh, okay ba dyan?
Okay ka ba, Chan?
Okay yan.
Okay ka ba, Chan?
The people that chose left, how was it there guys? Kamusta doon bro?
Easy.
Easy?
Basic.
Basic?
No challenge.
No, nag-left ka rin ba pre?
I think so.
Oh.
Hindi ako kumakaliwa kasi.
Ayun. Yun naman
Straight lang
pala.
tayo. Straight.
Straight.
Number 1.
JP, what time is it na?
Let me check on my Rolex.
Rolex. This video is not sponsored by Rolex or any promotions or anything in this video.
In order to be sponsored, we might contact the...
You may email me, which I'll be, oh my god. This is what you're talking about? Oh shit. Oh, ingat.
Oy, wala na.
Ay.
I'm just getting my phone.
Ron, you've been here before, right?
Yes, been here. It's my second time.
Okay. I believe this is your vlog number 40 nung kaunahan noon, di ba?
Not sure on that one, but definitely, yeah, that's one of the old classics.
So guys, this is gonna be Ron's 2.0 Tarzan Falls vlog. Ron, can you explain to me what are we expecting on that pathway there? Is that it?
No, not yet. Yan pa lang yung start ng falls. Then we're gonna go still straight, go down. Then we're gonna hit the bigger waterfalls.
So this is already a waterfall.
The small one.
That's Jane's
Small.
Falls. We're going to Tarzan Falls. This is Jane's Falls. Tarzan's partner. Yeah.
Jane's Falls.
Jane's
Ah.
Okay, 5 points.
Choppy.
Okay. The bottom? So this is the James Falls, or what we call, because there's Tarzan Falls, ayon nga kay JP, and then there is James Falls na partner ni Tarzan. About this thing is clear water, or not really. It's a mini falls, but very beautiful here. Let's see what the drone can offer. So it's about 10 o'clock when we reach this place. So yeah, we are continuing the hike, going down all the way down to the falls. Chris, is this rope reliable? No. A little bit reliable. Assist lang. This kid has a lot of energy. Yep. Pretty steep. Go kids. Hi. Hello guys.
Hi.
Hey. How's it downstairs?
That's nice.
Is it far or almost there? Oh. Hey. Friendly people right over here. And OMG. What time did you guys got here?
About an hour ago.
About an hour ago?
Yeah.
You guys don't want to swim?
We did.
You guys did?
Some did.
Some did. Okay guys.
You guys enjoy.
Take
Be safe
care.
every day.
Thank you. Be careful out there. There is Monkey Dong, King Kong, or Hogang Palaka.
Now you can check that side. But we're gonna go extreme here.
Extreme.
Yeah, this is just introduction to the hike, but then there's more.
Wait, there's more.
Yes, stop it some more.
I know yung there's more.
I think that's the parents of Tarzan.
The parents of Tarzan.
Yeah, this is Tarzan Falls.
This is it.
Malalim po ba?
Malalim? Tatalon ka ba? OMG.
Malalim po ba?
There is hands, my friends. I don't know. We'll go ahead and check, right? Ilang oras tayo inabot para makaabot dito sa
I think we
Beautiful.
left quarter to 10 and now it's 10:25, so more or less 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes. Basang-basang si Ron. Saan kayo pupunta? Hindi ka maliligo?
No, we're gonna go to the other one.
Why? Oh well.
We're going to the other side.
Where are we going, bro?
The parents of Tarzan.
The parents of Tarzan?
Yeah, and James.
But that one is a very big one, right?
Yeah. You can swim there.
Is that a far hike, Christian?
I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember.
You don't remember?
But no pain, no gain. So
Yeah, like you said.
Guam has a lot of hidden treasures. And as we all know, yes, Guam is small, but of course it's a tropical island. And a tropical island has to offer a lot of things. And we're gonna go. Yay! Woo! Not too bad. Okay, shades off guys. If you guys can see, napakadilim. Very beautiful. So definitely, you know, if you're a nature lover, you will definitely love Guam at its finest. Hindi kayo mauubusan ng mga places na mapupuntahan. Basta may tiyaga, marami kayong makikita. Hoy!
Dapat mo ka boy!
And hello guys, and we're finally here, way bottom. Woo! We definitely had fun here in Tarzan Falls. The falls were in all the way down here, so we're just gonna go back and go to that top falls and just have some picture taking. So that's the process of going up. And we have finally made it. Climbing up stage 2. Just going uphill like this. We definitely enjoy here in Tarzan Falls. It's actually a very beautiful place. It's pretty much a medium height, but somewhat everybody made it. We have Hans there who's actually about 10 to 13 years old who actually made it so far. So far, this is actually a must of a hike here in Guam if you guys are gonna visit here, or if you're actually living here in Guam. Once again, my name is Yuri. This is actually the kind of conclusion of my vlog. Unfortunately, my battery is actually almost dying, but meanwhile, I hope you guys enjoy my entry today. See you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.